Massive bullish move was seen in gold last week and it has closed at the highs at 27.16 here. Yes, it has surpassed the critical resistance at 26.72 and 84 and has in fact breached 2700. Now what to expect in the coming week? Can we expect more bullishness from here as it has already taken the support from the 20 period moving average and bounced back? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day for gold with clear indication for your entry points, take profits and the targets. Thus subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the levels to watch out for and trade for. Do watch till the end. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see this was the bearish trend. At this point, it has reversed and see since then it has traded bullish. The moving averages have crossed over and it has surpassed the first critical resistance at 26.72. Then it has now in fact moved beyond 27.12, the critical levels. Now the next level which we are looking forward to and which is going to remain critical is between 27.30 and 27.50. Only bullishness, only reversal confirmation is if gold is seen trading beyond 2750. If 2750 mark is taken, then you can say now the bulls are taken. We have seen it consolidating here in this range. It may fall back within this zone before trying to take a direction either on the upside or downside. So right now it is very much bullish. See on the 4-hour chart, straight bullish candles are seen and you can see straight trend here. So yes, this is closed at the top and a very bullish closing is seen, which suggests that the opening on the Monday might be a bit bullish, but yes, it is overbought and hence it has to shed some weight here. See the 4-hour stochastic is overbought. The MACD has seen a good enough rise. It has come towards from minus 30 to plus 30 levels and this is indeed a good highs for it to reverse. RSI is also seen at an overbought zone and whenever it sees such vertical rise follows with a vertical fall as well. So be watchful on Monday specifically. Yes, the closing is bullish. It means that there could be a bullish opening, but it may erase some of the gains with the open market here. Coming to the daily charts. Now on the daily charts, remember at this point I have mentioned in my daily updates that this is a reversal confirmation and gold prices are set to reverse, though it has surpassed the first resistance and second resistance zone. Both are done. Now it is looking forward to fall within the zone that is 2730, 2750, which is going to remain the most critical levels. Again, I am highlighting this fact and it is not too far from the current levels, only 141 and 140 pips away from the first resistance and first milestone. See, this will complete the V-shaped recovery here and at that point we will see how it behaves in between 27 30 50, because breaking beyond which chances will be very high that we may see gold breaking beyond 2800 as well. Be mindful of the levels 27 30, 27 50. See, moving averages which has started to converge have started to diverge again. It has not yet crossed over and now this zone on the downside towards 2650 is going to become the prime support for the coming week, and thus you have to watch out how it behaves. If it starts to retrace and reverse, how it behaves at around 2650 is going to be a clear indication that what it wants to do, because once it trades beyond 2650, chances are high that we may see the bearishness prevailing. We may see more drop here from 2650 levels, where again it can try to trade below 2600, that is moving towards 2580, 2590, the next support zone. Now this is important to note that if you look at the last few bull runs for gold, look at this, it has done this previously. Coming close, we have seen it diverging, we have seen a good rally, then again coming close, we have seen a good rally. Now again it has come closer, it has not yet crossed over, and the next move are going to be very critical, because see, again I am saying once it trades beyond 2750 levels, 2730 levels, we can again expect a bull run from here. This is something you should watch out for. Stochastic is back to overbought levels. Look at now, interestingly on MACD, see a strong fall is seen just one candle away after the crossover, and see this crossover is coming at a lower levels. Now look at the formation. I have shared this in my daily updates: rise, retracement, drop, retracement, drop again, and even if it tries to retrace and move towards the top of the channel, imagine where the prices are going to be. So this crossover is very important, and it is trading with a wide mouth, suggest stronger bullishness here, though it is not that it cannot reverse from here, but it still indicates that there could be further recovery here. So the stance is still very much bullish on the daily charts. If you look at the RSI here, it has hit the lows, it is trying to bounce back, trying to recover. Coming to the weekly charts now, see, before we proceed to the weekly charts, if you're not subscribed to this channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the twice a day updates and notifications for the updates. Else join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. And friends, before leaving the video, please press the like button, do share, subscribe and comment, and do join the free Telegram channel as well. And if you're not yet joined the channel memberships here on YouTube, to join the channel memberships here on YouTube and support the effort. Now coming to the weekly charts, see what has happened on the weekly charts. Most interestingly, this is what we have highlighted last week, that it has taken this support from the 20 period moving average. It was trading with divergence from the 20 period. I have mentioned here that it is trading with too much of divergence. It must converge. What it did, it has just moved towards 20 period and has recovered sharply. Now this sharp recovery also suggests a possible reversal here. See, this is the channel in which it is trading. The highs of this channel are now about 2800 levels. The highs of this channel are now about 2800 levels. You should mark this. And now second thing is, look at the point from which it is starting to reverse. You can see this 2750 levels. So these levels are going to remain critical here. Once it trades beyond 2750, I think we are looking forward to further rise here. We can in fact expect it to move towards 2820 zone. So this is a point where we are going to remain cautious, we are going to remain careful. Strong bullishness is definitely an indication of continuation of the momentum. However, it also makes me a bit worried, because see, the stronger the rise, the stronger the reversal could be. So it is possible that hitting the zone at 2730 and 50, it can reverse and drop. The stock stick, which is corrected sharp, is now looking upwards and in fact has seen good enough coverage here. Now look at the MACD. This is very important. See, on the MACD, remember from where this crossover has appeared, this is definitely at an highly elevated and extremely overbought zone. And this suggests that wherever gold goes here, from here, whether be it about 2800 levels, I will still say the correction in gold prices is not far from the levels from which it should correct here. So yes, in fact, even if it rises, the near term, when I talk about near term, maybe 3 to 6 months down the lane, or you can include in fact the year 2025, we should not be being, you can say, we should not be seeing the results or the yield what we had seen in the gold for year 2024. We will not be able to see those results in 2025 and the for next few months. Yes, it is a definitely overbought zone, and at this point I expect that the retracement has to be there. It has to continue for long, it has to be deep and strong as well. I have highlighted this fact earlier as well, when this crossover happened from 2790 levels. RSI has come down sharply from an overbought zone and now trying to pull back again in the zone here. So this is again a bullish stance. Coming to the monthly charts. Now this is very see, on the monthly charts, first of all, look at the formation. It is delivered higher lows and higher highs. It is trading in this bullish channel. Now where the current candle closes is going to be of prime importance, because this will become the reversal sign then. Yes, this will become the reversal, and we only have 5 more trading sessions in the current month. Now in these 5 sessions, I think possibly a range bound movement has to be there. It can not try to close in green. That is my expectation, that it should not try to close in green. And even if it closes in green, at best, we have to watch out first for the double top levels 2790, and then if it breaches this, then only we should treat this as bullish. That might in fact signal the next month also might remain in bullish, though my expectation for the current month is to close in red and then start the next month also on a bearish note. Now see what has happened on the weekly charts. A move towards 20 period. Now this move is due on the monthly charts. Where are the 20 period sitting at? 2200 and 2300 zone. Yes, too far from the current levels. And if you notice the monthly chart, see this divergence here, it has moved towards 20 period very soon. And see this, now it has diverged and it must try to move towards this zone. Though these are markets, anything and everything is possible, but the chances are high that we might see a reversal in gold prices very soon, and this has to be there in the month of December. If not December, then the year 2025 definitely should show us the pullback here. Now this is first point here. Second point here, the monthly stock ISIC is still at an extremely overbought zone, and historically whenever we see gold at such levels, it definitely calls for a correction here. Now look at the MACD. This is also another interesting. Look at the MACD. The MACD is at an extremely higher levels, and it is always a thing that every rise has to follow with a good correction. Every rise has to follow with a good correction, and now this is coming from an extremely higher levels. So in fact, even if it comes to plus 100, that is also an extremely overbought zone, and thus this also calls for a correction in gold prices in the forthcoming months. And thus I am saying those who are looking forward to for gold to keep and hold and invest for a long term, I think this is not the right time. Yes, you can see further highs. Yes, you can see gold at 2800. Yet you can see gold at 28, 40, 50 as well. But when it corrects, what we had seen for the last few weeks can repeat again. Yes, it can erase all the gains in just couple of weeks. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. RSI, look at the monthly RSI. See this V-shaped correction. See this V-shaped correction. And this is just the beginning here. Remember, it has formed a V here. It has formed a peak here. And from here, the prices are set to correct. So this is something you should keep a note of. Now we have seen the charts and indicators. Time for me to give you the levels here. Before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now in the coming week, I will only recommend you to buy at 27.24, where you can expect 27.31 as the first target, 27.40 at the next, and then 27.50 levels here. Now this complete zone here, very critical for gold. It has to trade beyond this zone in order to show more bullishness. And in fact, let me include 27.62 as well. So till here you have to be cautious. Now once it trades beyond 27.62, my expectations for gold are towards 27.90 and then 28.08 levels. Beyond this, I will be looking forward to 28.20. Beyond 28.20, it is going towards 28.50 levels, though I am still a bit skeptical. And even if you see gold at 28.20, 28.50, I think you should take the long short position here, where you can just keep on holding for a while the sells here. Yes, it could give you greater yield, but yes, these are markets, and hence I say the it is overbought. It is definitely bound to correct in the near term. Maybe 3 to 6 months down the lane, you will see gold at the different levels. But yes, right now the stance is bullish, and you have to be very careful with the holding positions. Now on the downside, I will recommend a sell 27.08 levels, below which you can expect 26.98, 26.91, 26.84. Now till here it's fine, it has got very good support. Then 26.72, the next one. And if it trades below 26.72, we can expect more bearishness, where I will be looking forward to 26.50 as the next target. And below 26.50, in fact, I will look forward to 26.40 as well, which is also another good support. And then 26.28, 26.12, and below 26.12 is where more bearishness towards 25.91 and 25.80 levels should prevail, below which you can expect another round of drop. I do not see it crashing further, but yes, below 25.80 is 25.50 levels. Might not be the case that it is going to erase all the gains here, but yes, a possibility of a swing exists here. Even if it hits the highs, it can try to erase some of the gains. It can try to trade below 2700 again. So till 2750, in fact till 2762, be careful. It can show you swings, it can dump from there. And on the downside, be careful till 2700 and 2680 levels, and rather 2672 levels. Below 2672 is where the bearishness will prevail. Till 2672, do not treat this as bearish. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch the twice a day updates. And friends, do like, share, and comment before leaving the video. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank